Today I'm going to show you how to configure a Laundry Boss point of sale system for use at a customer site. First, get the TeamViewer dongle and insert it into the point of sale tab. Any of the USB ports will work. Next, on the main screen, hit the up arrow and go to Explorer. You should have two options, internal memory and USB. For this step, press USB. Once you're in the USB, choose the TeamViewer host APK. Install the app. Hit done when it's finished installing. Next, we're going to temporarily put Wi-Fi on this tablet because you need internet connection for the next step. Select the internet and enter the password. As you see, it'll say connected if you've done this correctly. Go back to the home screen, hit the up arrow again, and select host. If you're connected to the internet, this dialog box will appear. Install this add-on. Allow installation, and hit back, then hit install. Hit install again, then hit done. Now, hit the circle button, then the up arrow, and go to Chrome. In the web bar, enter get.teamviewer.com/lboss host. It should look like this if you've done it correctly. Hit the green arrow to go there. It'll ask you if you want to continue to host. Hit continue. It'll ask you if you want to assign this device to Gary Rance. Hit assign. From here, we're ready to go back over to our computer to finish up the process. Come over to the computer and locate your device in the TeamViewer menu. For a point of sale, it will be a Rockchip S2802 device. Ours is right here. Open it in TeamViewer. Now, transfer the POS file from your laptop to the tablet. You will need to allow host to access photos, medias, and files on the device. Then, simply send the new file over to the point of sale. Make sure to clear any lingering files that might have been left by other programs. Go to Explorer, hit Level Up, and go to Internal Memory. Go down to Download, and install the LBPOS software. Once you've installed the LBPOS software, close out the Explorer. Be careful not to close TeamViewer. Open the POS software. Allow it to access media, allow it to access location, and allow it to take pictures and record video. The app doesn't actually do any of these things, but it needs the permissions. Click the Laundry Boss icon at the bottom right-hand corner to bring up the admin menu. Enter the customer ID, enter the local ID, and enter the point of sale number. Click the clock icon and change all of these options to 10 minutes. Hit OK. Then hit save. If you've done it correctly, you should be able to log in with your admin phone number and PIN. There's one final step before this is ready to send out. You must name it on TeamViewer and assign it to its site. Make sure to include the point of sale number and put it in the correct group. Double check yourself by typing in the POS number. And now this point of sale is ready to send out.